I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Maps and positioning the map where you want coordinates. On desktop, zoom and pan until the target point is centered. On mobile, use 2 fingers to zoom precisely. Once done, toggle satellite view if visual landmarks help. Make sure location permission is enabled so maps can center on your device. If you need repeated points, sign in for history. Now you're ready to capture the first GPS point accurately. Next, you'll extract the exact latitude and longitude. On desktop, right-click the location and choose what's here. To reveal coordinates at the bottom, click to copy. On mobile, long press until a red pin appears and look at the search bar or info card for coordinates. Tap to copy. Once copied, paste into a spreadsheet or note and add a short label so you can track multiple points. Repeat for each site, making sure you zoom in to reduce placement error. Finish by exporting and validating the points you collected. Paste coordinates into a CSV or create a KML for use in mapping tools. Many apps accept comma-separated lat/long. Once done, verify a sample point against satellite imagery or a second mapping app to confirm accuracy. If coordinates look off, recenter the map, zoom further, and capture again. You can also use the measure distance tool to confirm the pin sits where you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.